Buenos dias. I am going to the beach to see the sunrise. Medyo peaking na siya. Kasi kanina 6:45 wala pa eh. Oh sir, tara na. Ayan si ate. Oh, ayan. Ito kami dalawa lang. Look at that. It's peaking. Ayan, mga maaga sa beach. Nag-fishing sila. Wow. Malagkit. Okay. Kiss, 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 kiss. 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 Taas, taas nyo yan. Yan. Ano yan, kuya? Pag ganyan, oh. Pababa mo yung thumb mo. Yung thumb mo pababa. Ano ba ginagawa nyo? Yan. 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 Yan.
Happy, hurry, please.
Ayan.
Smile. Hey.
Okay, tapos na kaming mag-catch ng sunrise. Nagpalit ako ng swimsuit para magbe-beach naman. Whilst waiting for the pool to open, because it opens at 10 AM. And baka mag-breaky muna. Let's see. Ano, dahil pa iba-iba ng plano. Magchuchurros dapat kami after the beach. Na after the sunrise. Pero naiba naman dahil masyado daw maaga for churros, etc. etc. So, let's see. Hello everyone! Morning! Now we are gonna go for breakfast.
Good timing, guys. Oy, kuya. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, complete.
Hey, can't see. And it's Papa.
Pick some.
Water. That's
Uh-oh. Up, up, up.
What is happening? Somebody is sleeping in the pool.
Ayan na naman.
I don't want to overflow. Ano yun? Ano yun?
So, yung dalawa po, andun pa rin sila. Ayun. Cheryl and Franco. So, besties! Oh my gosh. I don't know what I look like. But, I'm already here in the room. Alas 3:30 na. No, 3:45 already. Naku, nasunog na yung ilong ko. Yeah, and yeah, we spent the day under the sun. Went to the pool, went to the beach, pool, beach, pool, beach. So now I am here. At pagod na ako, so maliligo na ako. And that's it for today. No, not really. Magpapahinga and then kakain na lang kami mamaya. Maliligo na ako. Laters!
How's the holiday life, Boo Boo? It's good? Next year again? Hey! 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 Hey, what are you doing? Hey! Lovely.
Tulo na yung ano danang.
No food, no food, sorry. Oh, cry.
Busog daw siya pero ang daming ano. Ikaw. Ano ka din menu?
May karta.
Oh, it's a video. Subo. Sir, pizza. Yeah, thank you. Okay, with chips pa na. Oh yeah, no problem.
Okay, kakain na naman po mga kababayan. Now. Mama. cafe. Nagta-times 100 na naman siya. Ay. Kabayan.
Kabayan.
Here we are again. Lalakad-lakad kami. Magpapababa ng mga kinain. Aray! Aray! Pero magchuchuros kami. Pinipicturean ko lang. Eating churros. Sarap ba, kuya? Yan. Banding kami, guys. Ini. Sarap ba?
Maliit lang talaga yun. Halina lang naman to, di ba? Masa na yung
Ano? Tamis. Dulce de leche. Choco avellana.
Sino ka lang ito?
Pag-mix natin. Buhay na buhay po ang araw na ito. Sobrang daming tao. What can you say about the churros? Okay.
Dito daw pa ng churros.
Parang kasi yung pinili ito sa ano, no?
I thought churros was supposed to have that sugar on it. What?
Churros con chocolate. Hello, boy.